Oh, she talks like candy, sounds like sugar, makes me wanna be the. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chord back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're playing I'll Be Okay by Why Don't We. It's pretty difficult to sing and play at the same time, guys. I don't know the song. This is literally my first time listening to it. But anyways, we're playing this without the capo. Yeah. And we're gonna use, major chords. So yeah, the chords are as follows. This is a B flat. Sorry, this is a B major, which is basically A in fret number 3, and then you bar fret number 1, right? And you're plucking strings 5, 4, 3, 2, okay? And then we go to F. For F, I'm plucking 6, 5, 4, 3. All right, so that's B, F, and then we go to D minor. For D minor, I'm plucking 4, 3, 2, 1, okay? And then we come back to B again. F, D minor, again B. Alright, if you're not familiar with how I'm holding these chords, you can check out my chord video. I will leave it in the description below. It will teach you how to hold the chords, and then you can come back here for your progressions. But anyways, moving on with the song. This is the chorus. This is the verse bridge. Verse pre-chorus, sorry. Okay, so the chorus goes F, na 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 na, and then we go to, so if all you play, this is simple. This is G minor. So you hold G like this, but then for G minor, it's like an E minor in fret number 5, and then you bar fret number 3. And then we go to F, G minor, and then we go to, hold on, what chord is that? B, and then back to F. So F, G minor, B, F. And my strumming pattern here is down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Alright, that's pretty much it. Alright, so the second verse is the same as the first one. The chorus is the same, so that's pretty much the whole song, guys. If you want to play this with a capo, you would play it like this. Let's see. So C, A minor, F, that's your verse. Hold on. And then back to C. Okay, so we have C, and then we go to A minor, and then we have F, and then back to C. And then for the ooh, we have F, C, A minor, F again, and ooh. Then the chorus, C, D minor, back to C, okay? So C, D minor, and then F, back to C. And that is the whole song, guys. Do subscribe. subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.